How to activate Revolut Esim 2025. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to activate your Revolut eSIM on both Android and iOS devices. With the increasing need for flexible data plans, activating an eSIM offers convenience and efficiency. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth activation process. Before you start the activation process, make sure your device supports eSIM functionality. For iPhone users, iPhone XS, XR, or later models support eSIM. For Android users, ensure your device is eSIM compatible by check manufacturer specifications. If you haven't already set up your Revolut account, download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for an account and complete the verification process. Once your account is set up, purchase an eSIM plan. Open the Revolut app, navigate to the mobile section, select Buy eSIM, and choose your desired plan. Confirm your purchase. After purchasing, you need to retrieve the eSIM activation details. In the app, go to the mobile section. Tap on your purchased eSIM. You will see a QR code or activation details. Keep this information handy. Follow the steps to activate your eSIM if you are using an iPhone. Open the Settings app, select Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code provided by Revolut or enter the activation details manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. For Android users, follow the steps. Open the Settings app. Go to the Network and Internet. Tap Mobile Network. Select Add Carrier or Add Mobile Plan. Scan the QR code from the Revolut or enter the activation details manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. After activation, ensure your eSIM is working correctly by turning on your mobile data. Check for network connectivity. Try accessing the internet or making a call to confirm everything is set up properly. Activating your Revolut eSIM is a straightforward process that enhances your mobile experience. By following these steps, you can enjoy seamless connectivity anywhere. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your device is compatible and that you have followed each step carefully. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support. Happy travels with your new eSIM.